thousands of editors are using the essential motion presets I created for Premiere Pro. And today, finally, I'm releasing the Resolve version, which comes with 32 presets you didn't know you needed. These presets are lightning fast, resolution independent, and customizable. Plus, you can get them for free. You will find yourself using them on every project you work on, so get ready to unlock yourself to the whole new level of editing possibilities. Installing the presets is a piece of cake. Just click three dots over here and then show Power Bins. Right-click on it and choose the Import Bin option. Browse the file and you're good to go. The Essential Motion Presets bin will be seamlessly added to Resolve and accessible across all of your projects. Okay, so what's so great about these presets? As mentioned before, these are resolution dependent, so we can use them on any aspect ratio, like a vertical one, a square one, a super wide one, and also they're already using the adjustment clips, so basically whatever you want to affect on the timeline, you just drag the preset on top of it. As an example, let's say I want to add 09 slightly zoom in effect to this clip with motion graphics elements on the timeline. I don't have to create compound clips, all I have to do is just drag the preset number 9. Boom, you just transformed your footage and given it a more dynamic feeling. Also, because they're paired with adjustment clips, you can easily copy-paste them on the timeline. In this case, just like in Premiere, you can basically alt-drag the clip to duplicate it. So it's a huge time saver. You don't have to play with any keyframes, it's a simple thing, but you can do it in a blink of an eye. Also, I just want to mention that many presets and plugins cause stability issues, but in this case I've used only the internal transform effect and some other native Resolve effects on top, so rest assured your performance and the exporting time will not be compromised. Okay, let's see more of these presets in action. For example, number 20, Distortion Reveal. I just drag and place it at the beginning of the clip, and here is what I get. Looks cool, but you can make it even better with some sound effects on top. I use Soundly library, for me it's a go-to for any sound design work, and with just 2 sound effect clips, that's what I get. Okay, the next one. Let's say I want to zoom into the upper right-hand corner of the screen. All I have to do is use the preset number 17, and I'm done. Quick and works perfectly well. More examples include handheld shake, swirling zooms, or one of my favorite, distorted side edges. Essential Motion for Resolve was planned as a $10 product, but I decided to once again make it pay what you can, pay what you want. So if you can't afford it, just get it for free. But if you want to reward me for my efforts or use it for commercial projects, then there is an option to choose a commercial license or even a version with some add-ons on top. A pack with Premiere Pro presets as well, or even a version with mini course. So again, if you're in a position to contribute and reward my efforts, it will be greatly appreciated. Download the presets and let them work their magic. Also spread the word, let your buddies know about Essential Motion for Resolve. Till the next time, bye!